Ladies and gentlemen, I bring you good news. Have you heard about Eziokwu TV, the best TV station in town? We are now live on air, bringing you the very best of knowledge, wisdom, and entertainment at your fingertips. And guess what? It's absolutely free. No subscription, no hidden charges. All you need is a free-to-air decoder. Just grab your remote, rescan your channels, and tune into Eziokwu TV. On Eziokwu TV, you enjoy undiluted teaching about Igbo spirituality, philosophy and life, Nollywood movies and ordinary gospel mission, music of every kind and rich cultural programs, inspirational talk shows and so much more. So tune in today, tune in every day. Let Eziokwu TV inspire you, teach you, entertain you and change your life for the better. Eziokwu TV, changing lives.